Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me, that's me. I chow the whole wood every day. Knock on wood. Oh, knock on the wood. So I can knock on the wood. So I'm crazy. So what can I do? So are you? Hey, you got a bad noise. I could lay a lake. You can't do that to me. What you get that stuff? Come and fight the man. I get it all. Oh, shut up. Who says so? I say so. Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Hey, can you knock on me, huh? I'll show ya. Put him up. You like it, they like to me. I think he guy's crazy. You're the school bullies. He must be nutty. Yeah, he's crap at me. I think he's guy's crazy. Yeah, he's guy's crazy. Yeah, that's right. You're absolutely right. And I love to be locked up. That woodpecker is crazy as hello. You said it. I'm farting on a who about you. Nothing is crazy. Yeah, you got the screws loose. So let's get the screws loose. Well, watch this. How you do, ba? Still, you think crazy. And they're so smart. Let's get you to the tree, to that tree. It's unsaid. Gee, we told you you're crazy. Yeah, you're squirrely. You're not cute and you didn't head in 7. You are serious, I can't trust. Maybe I am crazy. I'll go see a doctor.
What a night!
I saw it in the movies. How are you, Muddy boy? Bobby.
Stand up, bend over, straighten up, open your mouth, close your mouth, stick out your tongue, say ah, your head, your foot. Nothing for me, isn't it? Now, I give you the equilibrium test. Now read that line.
Can't see a thing, Doc.
I'll bet you can see it now.
I'll bet you I can't neither.
Well, open your eyes!
I can see. I can see. Yeah, I can see. Doc, you're wonderful.
Dinna mind him, folks. He's crazy. Aye, he's crazy, but I'm all right. Or am I?